Welcome back, guys. Another episode. We are out in the new boat again today, me and Uncle Trent. We are testing out the new sounder. We hooked ourselves up with a HDS 9 Live from Lawrence. No sponsorship deals here, unfortunately. We had to buy that. The sun's just popping up. It's probably just after 6 in the morning. We are over in a new spot. We haven't been over here before. That over there is an island called Akron, or Akron, however you pronounce it. And that's our old stomping ground, Rattlesnake Island and Herald Island. And right in the distance, not sure if you can see it, that's the mainland of Townsville. So we've just popped up on a little reef here. We're in about 4.5 meters of water and we're gonna test our luck. We can't see any fish on there, but we don't really know what we're doing, so we're just going to have a crack like we usually do and see what happens. But we do have a backup plan, guys. If all else fails, we're getting in. Look at this shit. Oh yeah! We got spear guns. So hopefully we're not going to be shark shit. We'll just catch a feed so we don't have to get in, but see what happens.
Oh yes sir, there are.
Come on.
I'm on too.
Woo! Oh, I got a little codley. You got a little codley too. Fucking double hook up. Whoop. Yeah, bitches. Oh, they're twinsies. Aren't they cute? Fucking cod.
Hey, fish in the boat.
Fish in the boat. We can have a beer.
Yes. You know what we've got to do? We used to do it in the creek all the time.
Yeah, we gotta have a beer. Oh, that's true. See you, buddy.
Have a look at what this dude's been eating.
What's he got?
Octopus.
Holy shit. Pull it out.
There it is. Hey buddy.
That's what come out of the mouth of that cod.
Make sure it's not blurring or anything.
I don't think it's doing real well. Slippery little sucker. Send you home, mate. We should use him as bait. We'll leave him there. He'd be good bait. Chuck him on.
Yeah, we've got the wrong book. You'd be better off fucking throwing it on. I've got to put it easy. Yeah, wide bait. I mean, you're right, he probably would be awesome.
Probably just catch the same fucking cod again. Oh, fuck. There goes the octopus.
Hey?
We are feeding them, they're eating.
Stop feeding them, catch them.
Right.
I just think we had the first fucking trout hit.
Really?
Yep. I thought I felt a bite and I let it go. And it was fucking straight into a fucking, like a, almost snag.
Yeah.
It was the same as what was happening over that other side the other day.
Yeah. Another fucking cod. bait. Cheers. I might just call this video targeting undersized cod. We are killing it today, guys. It's that number 5. Motherfuckers. Just warming up, getting the shoulders going and ready for the big trout now, so you're not gonna believe this, guys. Another one. That's number 6. Fucking hell.
Luckily we're friendly to the cod.
I'll leave the camera on for this one. That felt like it had more weight. Yep. What's the chances?
Oh, look at that!
Oh, be fucked. You wouldn't fucking ready to get that, would you? They're all the fucking same size, man. I swear it's the same fish. Go away!
Thank you for visiting full bore, but fuck off now.
Yeah. Time here is done.
I'm going to fish out the other side because there's nothing to cod your side.
If we catch one more cod, we're moving.
Woo! Real fish!
A real fucking fish! A trout! My God, I'm so happy.
Quiet time for Joe. Bit of alone time.
Oh my God.
They're here.
Oh, that nearly fucking fell out of the boat. Look at that.
Look how pretty it is.
We got dinner. You.
Quiet time coming.
Where's the do we have a tape measure or something?
Yeah, we got this.
Sticker on that red esky. Is he legal?
Yep.
You beauty! We're having trout for dinner! You! Oh yeah! That's the first trout in this boat. It's game on, bitches.
Do you think I'm crazy? I've done all this before.
not
it's
a
a
full
good stubby
survivor.
cooler anyway. That's Spanish shop, RHD. There you go.
Drinking the good stuff, though.
Oh yeah. Oh well, we'll add that to the collection. We should have a beer to celebrate.
Yeah, we should.
It's important to celebrate the little victories in life, guys. Write that down. Thank you, sir. We're going back over here now. Our mate of ours is fishing over here and he's catching more fish than us, so we're gonna go at Sharky's spot. That's where we are too, if you want our fishing spot. Help yourself. Really? I'm gonna go get them. Very attractive looking wetsuit. It's time to see how these bad boys work. Look at that! Alrighty, we're just poking back into the creek now. The weather blew up as usual, but yeah, weatherman's a cockhead. But here we go, we're just navigating this sandbar that comes out here. And we're scooting back into the creek. So yeah, that was fun. Sounder works a treat. So thank you, Mr. Lawrence. That's a first. We're actually eating something we caught. Good shit. But anyway, we'll see you when we're back in the creek. Oh shit, we forgot to say